Okay. Well, I got it working. Now I got to figure out how to program it. I got 0228. How can you be so good? And I got the paperwork somewhere around here. Oh, wait a minute. It's probably this 4 o'clock right now. $23. 42, 43, 44. Come on, get out of there. What are you doing? Get out. 40, 41. 12. Uh-oh. Well, I guess that's going to have to do it, isn't it? Getting to understand it. But there it is, people. The clock is working. And now I'm going to have to figure out how to get the dumb thing programmed. And it's a cool job. Love it. I would recommend it. If anybody wants to buy a set like this, get a hold of AliExpress. And I'm giving them a crack. And I hope they watch this channel. There it is, people. Turn the light off here for a minute. Maybe there it is. That's even better. And, you know, it might take a little time for it to get here. But nevertheless, it's a great job to do. Couple of days to do it. Because I choose to do it for in a couple of days. Next thing I gotta do is find out how I'm gonna hook it. Hey, that works. Just like that. Alrighty then. Okay, people. The little job is done. And next thing you see is gonna be there's the Celsius is on Celsius. I want Fahrenheit, but I can't get it. I'll figure it out. 32 Celsius. But it works. And I have no complaints. Just the way I want it to. But, and when you see it again, it's probably going to do a little bit different work, but nevertheless, it's working. My job is done. Turn the light on. A little on the bright side here, but nevertheless, it works. Ask me what I'm doing. I'm tinning my soldering iron. It protects the tips. Okay, there it is. That's another one what I wanted to see. Alright, you know, this puppy is really going great. I love it. I love it. And you look at that, and that sounds like Christmas. I like it that way. Okay, people. We'll see you in the next build. And that's going to be sometime next month. It's either going to be a watch, or it's going to be another one of these guys. Don't know yet. Okay. See you later. Be friendly to everybody, and God bless.